Okay, I'm starting on the alignment on this one. As you can see, I've disconnected a wire from the negative end of the board. This is to check the quiescent current. So I've got one of my lead probes connected on there. There's my multimeter. So we're looking for a quiescent current of 4 milliamps. So that's between earth and this wire. So it's basically the current going to the transformer, the final transformer, and then the adjustment is down the bottom here. Hopefully you can see all of this. If I zoom out you will be able to see it. So let's pop some power on it. I'm going to stick my bench pad. Okay, well I've got it connected up a bit better now. As you can see, my reading at the moment is 3.3 milliamps. And I need to find a screwdriver. I've tidied myself up. Ceramic screwdriver in there, whatnot. So I just need to tweak this very slightly. There we go. 4 milliamps. It's rising, so I'm going to let it stabilise for a bit. Actually, it's going to rise, isn't it? Of course it is. So that's done. Happy with that. So now I know that my quiescent current is correct, I can crack on and start doing some alignments. So let me just reattach this wire and then I can carry on doing a few more bits. Okay, I was just attempting to do the IF alignment then, and this IF transformer here, the slugs, that one feels really crunchy and it's right at the bottom, and this one, as soon as I try turning it, it again feels really crunchy and dropped right to the bottom of the can, and it's not moving up and down at all. If from memory, I think these are just in like cardboard sleeves. So unfortunately what I've got to do now is I've got to take this can out, and I'm going to need to find something to put in there just to give them a little bit more grip on the side of that cardboard. It's not a brilliant design to be fair, but that's how it was back in the day, I suppose. Okay, well there's the can out, and I've just pushed this one and it slid right back up to the top plate. Probably this one as well. Yeah, so they're not gripping the sides at all. So I mean literally, I don't know, after you tune that, eh? This one here has got a crack in the top of it. Oh. Yeah, the second one is absolutely fallen apart. So I'm going to need to get a new core for that one. So I can push him down. Yeah, the top has just disintegrated. They do get very brittle, and a little bit of twiddling will wreck them. Oh, there's a bit of one left, but it's only half. So I'm probably going to have to pitch one out of another transformer. So I think originally they had like a little bit of elastic in there that used to, yeah, you can't see it in these, but a lot of them have got like a little tiny bit of elastic that just holds the core to the side. Now I've got some fine elastic bands, but I don't know, it really needs the really thin, I expect you've seen it years ago. You used to have spools of like knicker elastic, I suppose, and the real thin stuff's what we need. So that's probably why I wasn't able to tune that. Yeah, there you go. If you look at the top side of the board, you can see the remnants there of elastic bands that would have been holding those cores in, long since perished. Just going to whip this can open a minute. Yeah, so this is just a plastic former, and all they've done is just put a piece of elastic down through. So I'm going to see what I can find anyway, so bear with me. Okay, I've just cut this elastic strap off of the end of one of my dust masks. Obviously inside it, stitched in, is these little fine pieces of elastic. I'm out of camera shot there, aren't I? Yeah, these little... That's really what I'm after. So I wonder if I can get any more out. I assume you can still buy it on the reel. If we make that, there's another bit. There we go. There we go. Let's see. So we put that in through the hole. Let's see if we can thread that one down. Okay, no, it's not brilliant. It's not really thick enough. And the other option is to put two pieces in. Let's try that. Because I've got plenty of dust mask strap. Yeah, probably wants to be just a little bit bigger than that. Yeah, that's a bit firmer. Yeah, that'll do the job. So a couple pieces then. I've got to find another core yet. So let me go and have a look at my selection of scrap radios, see if I can find a core that's the same diameter as that one. Okay, well I found another core. I had a few searches for cores actually, and couldn't really find one that was the right size, so I've managed to find one out of one of these old CB radio transformers that I can, and it's a slightly coarser thread, but it is the same length, so hopefully that's better than trying to put back in a broken one. And it's a bit tighter in there, so I've put one strand of elastic in that and I've got two in the other one. So yeah, looking good. Let's get that back in and see if I can get it to tune up a bit better now. So bear with me, I'll get this back in the case. I'm just going to pinch back in the side pieces here just to lock it back in. Okay, well, as I say, I've replaced both the cores in this. This is the first IF transformer actually. I thought it was a third. I thought it was 1, 2, 3 in that direction, but turns out it's 1, 2, 3 that way. So I had this one in 180 degrees out. So now you listen to the volume. Now I've replaced the cores. That really loud. That's done the job.